Sorry, my camera shut off right there, but do you want a cloth? Cloth, fresh. It has to be kind of like cold cloth. Like, I would put it in the freezer, but I don't want it to be icy, but just cold. Just cold. You want it cold cloth. Like, I get some cold sheets. They were just sitting over here for vlog, but actually, I figured out a method where you can use the fridge and a wrapper. Like, I'm using one of these strawberry wrappers. Put a wrapper. Foil. And yeah, the first thing that you're going to do is open up your lemons. And once you've done that, you want to take some cold cloth and wipe it in your hands. Just clean all that and make it smell cold. So it stains, marks, and scratches. Yeah, just done that. Just wipe it off really good. Motions. About a minute. Sorry, then back on at my grandma's house. Okay, we'll take your wrapper. We'll actually place it like that. Some of it inside there, inside the lens. Hold it out for about 2 minutes. Be back to you guys. Or guys, I'm back. But hold it down for about 2 minutes. Try to get it, and you're gonna re-wrap it with some cold cloth. And you want your foil. You want to place it over. You want to set it for about an hour. I'll be back with you guys, honestly. So, yeah. I'll be back with you guys. Since I'm not right there. I'm going to go to bed for about an hour. Set my alarm. It's actually ready. So good night to all you peeps out there. Honestly, I love you. I'm back. I am dang tired right now. It is 10. It was 9 when I filmed. I don't feel like filming anymore. But I have to do it for you guys. Finish the video. Love you. Alright. So, you put some tape around with the foil to keep it inside your lens. Very cute. Take it off and wipe it with some cold cloth. Now this will save you lots of money. Trust me, lenses are expensive. Bend that through there. Don't want to go through it again. Make sure it's cold cloth. I don't know how this works, but just let's see the results. There we go. That is nice and shiny. Like, you can't see the crack right now. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe.